Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Now, I think say you are seeing the thing right in front of you. Please, I need your 100% attention. Focus on Adia Ekosui. If you don't know what's going on, I just posted a previous a podcast and a broadcast. Me bo audio. Every mamia your friend Mora Dawson Williams. Wono ene Kennedy Japan. Ewo ba eba na your friend Anel Japan. Na Anel Japan yi ena Kennedy Japan embrebi wo ba online be kan say Anel yi de woye cocaine woye say munya mo kan sansem akan Japan be kafa ne baba ho no ye Anel yi ho asem ne ka na ne maame eba bontin be di Kennedy Japan atem Father's Day ne ba Anel yi eba bontin be stre Boniface Efri Kennedy Japan ho. The response from Kennedy Japan a trigger maame no ama maame no asanso abedi Kennedy Japan atem. So this is the build up of the story. Ebi ana wunim the air koso. So I want you to understand the story. Anel maame a friend no Nora Dawson Williams no. The Facebook page enyama bi a watra to ho and me pese ye react on because as a huge allegations be efa aba. Now, this is the very first text I want you to read. What is in front of you was say, if you are not scared of shame, why don't you bring lab hair follicle drug test for all your children? Asemini. Embra Kennedy Japan ba bontin beka say Anel no wo ye cocaine wo ye drugs no wo no Kennedy Japan won tua ne fees no. Mami wo ye Anel mami. E ba bontin beka tre Kennedy Japan say Kennedy Japan we. Enye me ba ne pe no ye drugs so na wo mba ni bi nso bi wo ho a wo ne nkrofofo fra wo a wo nso ye drugs. O se me boa yankoye hair follicle drug test. Yanfa wo mutin wi ni yankoye drug test ni yehu ebema yehu se wo mba no so ebi mu eye drugs adan na me ne wo ba no pe na wo Canadian no ho asem nti ma me no no point no. So this is what the woman is talking about. The first audio wo be di Kennedy Japan atembo ni dua no wo kan san asem ni wom. So she's just reiterating that point here. Was say, if you are not scared of shame, why don't you bring lab hair follicle drug test for all your children? So I just want you to establish the point and know what the woman is talking about and who she's talking about. In terms of the background in Abramono. Let's continue. Let's go. Nine hours ago, and no Troy. And also Troy said, if it was Woyomi or Anas or Obinim, you will bring their ancestors' DNA. Yenim say Woyomi Kennedy Japan expose no. Anas Kennedy Japan eden asemba abontin. Obinim so Kennedy Japan eden asemba abontin. So I just want to build a point and let you guys know who this woman is talking about. Because only cry, ye can Woyomi Anas ni Obinim, the only common factor is Kennedy Japan. It was say if it was Woyome or Anas or Obinim, you will bring their ancestors' DNA. Asema wakan no. Now, wakan we ya na NFA was shifting the focus call rape. Na maybe you be rape, me who say rape accusations. Very very serious and damning accusations are over to me e dia bobi. Na yenti asema wa tro. I'll say rape is a type of sexual assault usually involving sexual intercourse or other forms of sexual penetration carried out against a person without that person's consent. Also, the act may be carried out by physical force, coercion, abuse of authority, or against a person who is incapable of giving valid consent, such as one who is unconscious, incapacitated, has an intellectual disability, or is below the legal age of consent. The term rape is sometimes used interchangeably with the term sexual assault. Into what shall say or explaining rape in sensem what did rape by. At this point, we didn't know who she was talking about. Even though what shall say Wakasaba Kennedy Japan at this point, no, she's just defining rape. One bo be adding to me and fan bo obi also said were accused. Now let's move on to the next point I will make here, and that is where the damning accusation and allegation about they took Kennedy Japan so no work and now say Yebeka say Yesusu. Me we did show wa obeti as the America say Yesusu say Kennedy Japan wants them and now work. And he was say in 2002, I lived with my boyfriend at Domi Pillar 2. You came pretending to discuss our daughter. Tio, one Kennedy Japan woba. And now walk say in 2002. Now one name the boyfriend at Domi Pillar 2. And I was say you came. She didn't mention anyone's name. One boy be a but was say you came pretending to discuss our daughter. Was say when we were alone, you forced to sleep with me in his house and on his bed. As someone walk on only boyfriend ho and a nipaku we ya walk on one send me one body nipako no eba say wo mo ebe discuss wono ene nipako no eba ho asem woni nipako no woba oni nipako no eba ho asem o say they were alone and a nipakri e force ye ene ne die e wo wono ne boyfriend ni fie o say he is dead in the morgue as we speak and I curse you. I say he is dead in the morgue as we speak and I curse you with his spirit. May he follow you negatively wherever you go. 60-year-old idiot. Now, one, what's the one in the back on the waba? Because what's the one in the back on the discuss say, one more bang once and Munti any year or so in the back on the waba. Two, what's in the back on the 60 years? And I walk and say, the person forced and slept with her. So will be forced. So that is why she explained the term rape before writing this particular thing. Me assure say what you say. It's not percent Crawford say rape say. What I say rape is a type of sexual assault usually involving sexual intercourse or other forms of sexual penetration carried out by a person without the person's consent. Or person what I say and OSHA rape definition now. Ewa has was say the act may be carried out by physical force. It was in the Paku force here, and I back on and then the die. The Pakuna force here, and the Pakuna and then the die, no force a rape. But you see, as somewhere Mamia came, what I'm saying, and I said one, indeed, she didn't mention anyone's name. And you know, as some way crano, Mameno, as I want no cry was slow because Obia. Won suro sa obeba bonten abeke kan nsem second de Japan ye chi no abrochi second de Japan we insensem just won suro. So let's make that fact clear. Won suro because wabebo Kennedy Japan dua edidi Kennedy Japan watem it me sure say nanka eye Kennedy Japan potse nanka opeso oboni din me sure say nanka won suro so obebo ni din. Because waboni dia akeka nsema to ne so nsema ehu nti se ne krese Kennedy Japan rape na adan e na wambo Kennedy Japan din we e na broni besie innuendos say the embrophobia ye omoka casting innuendos and the em say nansen Stone Boy ne Kelvin Boy nya asem Stone Boy so edi bi because Kelvin Boy be pass comments bi a Kelvin Boy ambo obi edin but na obi ehu ne say Stone Boy na no ne kasa. This is exactly the same thing. My many dear ni kreni wambo obi edin, but she is accusing someone she has a child, a daughter with. My many so she only has one daughter. And that daughter no okay, make her say she only has one daughter we know of. And that daughter we know of no yenim say where no any Kennedy Japan. It was in the Pakuya Basa woman by discussing one more daughter no. And at the last part of what they can home, and they said Nipakuno a 60-year-old idiot. You need him say Nansiana can Japan would be 60. But Nini Nachino went to me about Kennedy Japan din. And so if you really want to be fair, if my many person ye kasa Niye yeka say oh she is accusing Kennedy Japan of rape. We indirectly no say no account. That's why she explained rape, no. But if she really wants us to take the matter on, then she should just mention the person's name. Because assembly e koko du quarter ma me no betumi yiniti efi assembly one ka say oh e bia wo no kra no na ye storybook bia o read ana bibi obi ho asem e na wo ka e betumi aba ne sa and you can't do anything to her. E betumi aba say oh e story bia wo tro e bia your friend saying story bia enya real sa novels ne sa anya ma no betumi aba say story bia wo tro na wo de part bi aba beto ha. Nti se wo dwin se eye Kennedy Japan ho asem na wo kan ende de wa dwin na edi agro se na me din kan tell Stone Boy ne Kelvin Boy sa uko bisa Kelvin Boy manager ne manager ye bisa no se o Ghana for mo dwin se Kelvin Boy Stone Boy ho asem na wo kan no ende mo angasa mo adwin because onu bi ohun ni se Stone Boy wan bo bi edin and rightfully so. But that is why I read the lady's post from you. I will be able to say 9 hours ago, Kennedy Japan wants them na walk. 9 hours ago, Kennedy Japan wants them before she came to explain the rape matter. And even in this allegation or accusation, what they to Nipapronosono, she didn't mention rape, even though she explained the rape matter. Mimi Susu say, Naka a rape no person boy. It isn't a difficult word for her to mention. That's what I think. Into a real year and also a postee a year end rape, abolish medical examination. So she was posting an article on rape. Just say she was still on rape. Into a real year no, and I will be a video. Ebe didi Kennedy Japan watem e bo Kennedy Japan dia. Ekeka nsem fa Kennedy Japan ho video no na da wanim no. Ekeka nsem fa Kennedy Japan ho say Kennedy Japan we nsensem bi enye easy. It's in some way that no. Don't tell me your comment box in which you for. And that's it.